If you're new to using Chromebooks, you probably haven't been able to find a caps lock key anywhere on your Chromebook's keyboard. But don't worry, you're not going blind. On a traditional, typical Chromebook keyboard, there actually is no caps lock key. There is a newer version of Chromebook keyboards that some newer Chromebooks now have this year, and presumably going into the future, most new Chromebooks will have that new keyboard that has a caps lock key. But as of right now, the majority of Chromebooks out there do not have a caps lock key. But there is a combination of keys you can use to achieve exactly the same thing. On a Chromebook, whenever you want to enable caps lock, all you need to do is press the Alt key and the Everything key at the same time. The Alt key is down here, it just says Alt on it. That one's very easy to find. Unfortunately, the Everything key does look different on different Chromebooks. The traditional Everything key is this search icon here, so you'd press Alt and this search icon on probably still the vast majority of Chromebooks that are being used today. Some Chromebooks, however, also have an Everything key that's more of a circle or launcher icon, but it is still in the same place, so it's just Alt and that circle launcher icon, and that will be your Everything key. But whatever Everything key you have on your Chromebook's keyboard, you just need to press the Alt key and whatever Everything key you have. And the easiest way to do that is to hold down the Alt key first, and then press the Everything key, and then let go of the Alt key. That way, you're making sure you're definitely pressing the two keys at the same time, but you're also having no chance of accidentally doing something else, because holding down the Alt key on its own won't actually do anything. But you'll just need to press those two keys, and then on your Chromebook, you'll see that little icon will briefly appear, and that means you're in caps lock. And you'll also see this notification down the bottom here, this notification icon here with the caps lock icon, and that's telling you caps lock is on. And now caps lock is on. So it's just like if you had pressed the caps lock key on a Windows or Mac computer, you can go ahead and type whatever you want, and it will all be in all caps. And then whenever you want to turn caps lock off and go back to normal, it's just the same thing, Alt and the Everything key, and it will turn caps lock off. It'll briefly show you that icon there, and the caps lock icon will disappear from your notifications there. And now when you type more things, it will be in lowercase, just like normal. So you do have to press two keys instead of one, and none of them actually say caps lock on them, so you have to remember the shortcut. But apart from that, it works basically exactly the same as the caps lock key on a Windows or a Mac computer. Or if you just have to really quickly type one or two letters in capitals, it might be easier to not use caps lock and just hold down the Shift key and type whatever you want to type and then let go of the Shift key. That way you don't have to use the keyboard shortcut twice to switch in and out of caps lock. You just hold down the Shift key while you're typing. This isn't fully caps lock, but depending on what you're trying to do, it might be slightly quicker and easier. But that's all there is to this video, so hopefully you found it helpful, and we might see you in another one in the future.